There's a hellbound train headed down the track. There's a hellbound train headed down the track. Once you get on board, there ain't no coming back. There's a hellbound train, get on board.
People, oh good people, I've heard so many tell of a train that's on a track. It's pointing straight to hell. There ain't no sweet salvation if you choose to get on board. So just find yourself a seat, 'cause we're running from the Lord.
Once you get on board, there ain't no coming back. There's a hellbound train, get on board.
I've drank my share of whiskey, I've drove women insane, and I swore a streak of blue, I even took his name in vain. I'm a sanctified sinner, lost soul without the shame. Now I get a first class ticket on a hellbound train.
Once you get on board, there ain't no coming back. There's a hellbound train, get on board.
Well, I get this friend the devil, and we're on a first name basis. Alcoholic, son of a bitch, womanizer, bigot, racist. Be useless if I run, 'cause he knows the look my face is. There's a hellbound train, get on board. People, oh good people, now you've heard the story plain. I pray you think twice before you get up on that train. There'll be no sweet salvation if you choose to get on board. So just find yourself a seat, 'cause we're running from the Lord.